Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a credit card authorized user on your Atlas. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Atlas account. You can choose to log in on your Atlas account on the online banking platform, or you could choose to log in on the Atlas mobile app using your username and password. Now once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the credit card account that you want to add an authorized user to. Just select that from the account dashboard, and then you're going to click on authorized user, and then you're going to select the add authorized user option. Once that's done, you're going to provide the authorized user's personal and contact information. So go ahead and fill that up, and then you're going to need to review and agree to the authorized user's terms and condition. And once that's taken care of, you're going to confirm the authorized user's addition and review the updated account information. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a credit card authorized user on your Atlas account. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in